Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so very much for joining me today. I hope you guys are having the most wonderful day. Today guys, I wanted to bring you just a small little haul, hopefully a small little haul from Home Bargains. I know I tell you guys all the time it's going to be short and quick and it ends up being super lengthy. So I'm going to try and keep this one as short as I possibly can. But I really hope you guys enjoy. So I'm going to pop the little bag off. My bag actually says Unicorn Club and it has this glitzy little unicorn on it. This bag is from Poundland. It's from Pep & Co. It's just a reusable bag that I use. You guys know we're trying to be more eco-friendly, so it's reusable bags. But the first thing that I got are these pretty bog standard Walker's Monster Munch in roast beef. They are only 89 calories a bag. They are flavored corn snacks that are baked, and I'm going to try this coming year to lose weight. I will keep you guys updated on my weight loss journey throughout some of my videos, but I have been very good and I've lost 11 pounds so far, so go me, yay. So this is also part of the weight loss journey because I do really like savoury snacks, so this will hopefully keep me on the right track. Oh, let's tilt it down. I found these little, whoa, let me see, there's a lot of noise going on over in this bag. But let's have a look and see what we have. So the next thing that I bought was, I'm really terrible at portioning out my cereals in the morning. So I bought these little snack boxes of Weetabix crisp minis. They are chocolate chip. They're 40 grams. That's a standard breakfast. These were only 25p each. I picked up 4. So I'm going to try and use these for my breakfast with some skimmed milk. They're only 154 calories. So I purchased 4 of those. If they're good and if Home Bargains still have them, I will go back and buy more. I purchased this little feeder, which is the noisiest thing in the bag. This is a little wildlife feeder. Not really sure how. Oh, here we go. It completely opens up. I am hoping to put some bird feed in it around here, and this is a little ledges for the birds to stand on, and I just think it's super cute. It was only £2, so I love putting these on my trees to feed the animals, and I just thought that one was super duper cute. We only have a couple more items, which is good thing, so we can keep this video and make sure this video isn't 100 minutes long. Want to show you a couple of other things that I purchased. I noticed that over Christmas, this past Christmas, that I didn't have any playing cards in my house at all. We play a lot of card games, and we didn't have any this year. So I purchased a little pack of playing cards. These do say poker. It really doesn't matter to me. They were 70p. I think that's pretty awesome. And at least now I have a pack, which is fantastic. I purchased a couple of little makeup items. So the first makeup item I purchased, and this was 99p, is a brow. If I can get it out of the packaging. Let's see if we can get it out. Is a brow marker. And this was only 99p. It's Incredibrow. It is a microbladed tip brow pen in collection. I don't know what brand it is. I'm not really super into brands, but you can see it's got this little almost a microblading type of effect. This one it actually looks a lot darker than it would be for my eyebrows. That's not what I plan to do with it. I plan to use this as an eyeliner. I have heard that brown eyeliner is a lot more flattering than black eyeliner or black. Oh, this is dark brunette. I should have actually even read it. It's perfectly fine. So I'm going to use this as my eyeliner. I then purchased some powder highlighter. Again, this is only 99p. I've been using a cream highlighter, but when I put my setting my setting powder on, I find that it disappears quite a lot. So I decided to buy this gorgeous highlighter just to give my face a little bit of sparkle. I love the glow. It's nice and light, not too in your face. So this is perfect for me. I then bought this little Fusion Sparkle eyeshadow palette. Doesn't come with a mirror, but I don't need that. This was only $1.99 and it has a ton of different... Hey guys, so have no idea what just happened. I think my camera just stopped, but we're back. So I'm really loving this little Profusion Sparkle. Love the sparkle detail on the front. This is a 15 eyeshadow palette. I have used Home Bargains palettes before and I really like them. What I like about this one is that it is pretty much let's turn it to side. Pretty much apart from 2, which is the dark brown color I probably wouldn't use, and the really light beige, which I would use. All of the other eyeshadows are glittery. So for $1.99, 15 piece eyeshadow palette in these beautiful autumny kind of rich colors, I'm really buzzing about. I think out of all of them, this is my favorite. It is like a mocha colored eyeshadow, and I'm super excited that I have that. And $1.99 I think is a total bargain. The next couple of items I have, let me show you these. First, I have never ever used laundry detergent sheets. I've seen them, but they're super expensive. These are original Dr. Beckman. They're Magic Leaves. They're laundry detergent sheets. They're non-bio. They're brand new. It says that they're highly dissolvable from only 20 degrees Celsius. Oh, you can scratch and sniff. I did not even know that. It says it's spring fresh. I could not make my mouth say spring fresh. And this scratch and sniff, that is certainly really highly scented. So I'm loving that. It says they're easy doing. I'm not sure what that is. No mess. They're suitable for short cycles and they have less weight. So I purchased these. Oh, I'm also loving that they're a carbon neutral product. So that is also awesome. 25 washes for £3.50. I don't know if that's fantastic or not. Maybe not. I mean, if I'm getting 25 watches for £3.50, and it's no mess, it is carbon neutral and they're good. The scent is good. They clean the washing. I definitely would be interested in buying these again. I love the fact that they are super slim, so they fit into my cleaning cupboard. They don't take up a ton of space, but they said they are a highly convenient format. They're easy, versatile. I don't know what dosing means. If you guys can let me know in the comments, that would be awesome. They're highly soluble. There's no mess. They're suitable for short washing cycles. They work from 20 degrees upwards. They're light, compact, and they're vegan. So let's go ahead and open these. And this is paper, foil-lined paper. I'm assuming that this is also recyclable. They come with a popper closer, which is great. And let's see what they're like. So let's take out a sheet. Okay, this sheet's a little bent. So these are weird. I mean, the spring fresh smell is beautiful. It is really highly scented. So nice and fresh. They're a light green color. They almost they almost feel a little bit like plastic, but you can tell that it is compressed washing detergent. And I will update you guys when I've done my first wash. I will update you guys. I'll come back on this video and put in the description or the comment section what I actually think of them. If they're great, I will continue to use them. And if they're not, well, we'll move on to whatever else is an alternative. So the next two things that I purchased are these Wow eggs. They're 99p for a box of 3. You get a treat and a toy inside. I bought a pack of 3 blue and a pack of 3 pink. And I think these are just a great little reward. You know, when the kids do their chores, or you just want to treat them. I think these are a great inexpensive way of giving a little bit of candy, sweets, treat, as well as a little toy. However, getting inside the box is very, very difficult. So what have we got? We have 3 blue. So we're going to quickly open up one and have a little look. I'm going to keep the other 2, and I'm going to give those to my little nephews as treats. But we're going to open one and see what they're like. The one thing that bugs me about these Wow eggs is that they're super hard to open. I mean, I struggle, and as an adult, I could only imagine how a kid would struggle to get in. Oh my gosh, to get inside this toy. Oh my gosh. Right, I need a tool. I will be right back. Okay, I got a knife. Just a butter knife. Nothing sharp, but I need something to help me get inside this. I mean, come on, guys. If these are supposed to be made for little kids, I don't know how little kids are getting inside this. So when you finally get it open, you have 2 halves. The first half right here comes with a little spoon. And inside, if you open it up, oh my gosh, is some chocolate with... What type of chocolate do we have inside here? So, whoa. This is cocoa flavor balls in milky duo cocoa cream with a surprise toy to build. Although my experience is you don't always get a toy to build, but you get this little treat. I mean, this is enough for just a treat. You also get your little spoon to go with it. And in the other side, you get a toy. So let's pop this open and see what toy we get inside. Okay, well, there's no built-in toy, but we have a little dinosaur, which is cute. So you're getting a toy and a treat. You're getting 3 for £1, which I think is pretty decent. And then the next ones we have are the pink version. And we'll just rip the box right open. And again, inside, you get a set of 3. We will open one set and see what we have. I'm going to need... This feels really rather heavy in comparison to the other one. Actually, let's see if we can open it without... No, like, I'm really struggling. We're back to the old trusty knife. I mean, you do need some serious upper body strength to be able to get through these things. We'll crack it open, and then again, you get your little... This is the toy. You get your little snack inside. It's exactly the same. They never change, but I'm going to not open this one, and I'm going to give this to one of the kids. Oh, come on. And then what we have is our little toy. And this is the pink version. Let's see if we can get in. And what do we get inside? We get, oh my gosh, this is adorable. Well, I don't like that you get incomplete toys. This is a little red, cute, see-through acrylic teddy bear. And I threw it away. I mean, it's quite weighty. There is a bit of weight to this, but you do get a loop at the top for a keychain, which I think would be perfect. Or you can put a little bit of lace around and make it a necklace, but I would have preferred if that had have come as part of the toy. I'm not going to complain. These are £1 for a pack of 3, so it is what it is, but how cute. Doesn't want to sit. That's perfectly fine. So guys, this is my little home bargains haul. I think this time around I've picked up a lot of new little items, things I've never seen before, things that are going to help me on my diet journey, things that are going to make me a little bit more eco-friendly, and also things that I can help sustain the environment with. I hope you guys have had a blast. I've had a total blast, not only buying the items, but showing you guys just what I got. If you do like this video, please smash the like button. Leave comments and questions below. I always do my utmost to come back and respond or heart just as soon as I can. And don't be worried if I haven't answered you super, super fast. I will do my best to always answer all of the comments or react to all the comments. If you guys are not yet a subscriber and would like to join us, don't forget about the subscribe button and the notification bell to not miss any videos. And I wish you guys all the best. I really hope you stay safe. Please take care and look out for each other. I'm going to catch you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.